Hey guys, it's Dylan from Plaid, and today we're going to talk all about the FolkArt Drizzle pouring cup. Fluid art is a great way to express yourself and have fun, but before we get started, you want to make sure that you are protecting your workspace, your clothing, and covering anything that you don't want paint to get on. So I recommend the 3-slotted cup for every beginner. You can get a very repeatable pattern out of it, it's very dependable, and you get instant gratification. So let's go ahead and start pouring. The 3-slotted cup has 3 little chambers that you can pour paint into. So we're going to pour our paint into the chambers of the cup, and then we're going to spread it onto our canvas. And then it's as simple as swirling the paint around. This is one of my favorite tools because you can just get right into fluid art and be successful right off the bat. All right, so I'm really happy with the way that turned out, but I'm gonna clean up my workstation and then we're gonna get rid of some of those air bubbles. The 7-slotted cup is one of my absolute favorite tools in this collection. It features 7 chambers for you to put paint in, and then you can create all kinds of different techniques using this one cup. And it's also one of the best tools to get started with. All right, we're going to use the 7-slotted cup with a really bright color palette. So I'm gonna grab all my colors and start filling. We've got all the paint in all of the slots in the cup, and now it's time to pour. So we're going to be turning our canvas on the spinner as we pour, and we're gonna kind of use the technique of a tree ring pour. So we're gonna be pouring in concentric circles, and we're gonna slowly move out to kind of get a spiral pattern. All right, now I'm gonna put some gloves on, and we're gonna swirl this around. Okay, so now time for the fun part. Let's see what pattern we end up with. The 7-slotted cup is one of my absolute favorite tools in the line. It can be used for a variety of different techniques and so many different looks. To find these projects and more inspiration, visit plaidonline.com/drizzle.